A peaceful morning to each and everyone. Today we will tackle about foods. But before that, please read our learning target. I can discuss the concept of foods. I can appreciate the importance of food in our daily lives through sharing one's idea. And I can create a poster that signifies the importance of food inside our body. At the end of our discussion, I hope we will attain this learning target. So food. When I say food, food is any substance consumed to provide nutritional support for the body. Food is any substance that can be metabolized by an organism to give energy and build tissues. Also, food is an edible part of plant or animal that can be prepared and consumed to provide energy and nourishment for our body. Now let's tackle about the functions of food. Food contains nutrients, substances that are essential for growth, repair, and maintenance of our body tissues and for the regulation of vital processes. Nutrients provide the energy of our bodies need to function. Calorific value of food is the total amount of energy a human body could generate during its metabolism, which is expressed in kilojoules per 100 grams or 100 ml. The calorific value of food is generally expressed in kilocalories. The function of caloric value of food is essentially the amount of heat energy that the body produces through metabolism in ingesting the food. It allows you to quantify how much energy your body will derive from breaking down and digesting that particular item. Next is protein in a diet. Protein is a nutrient in our body that needs to grow and repair cells and to work properly. Protein is found in a wide range of food, and it's important that you get enough protein in your diet every day. How much protein you need from your diet varies depending on your weight, gender, age, and health. Protein is an important part of our healthy diet. Proteins are made up of chemical building blocks called amino acids. Our body uses amino acids to build and repair muscles and bones and to make hormones and enzymes. They can also be used as an energy source. Next is carbohydrates in a diet. Carbohydrates or carbs are sugar molecules. Along with proteins and fats, carbohydrates are one of the three main nutrients found in foods and drinks. Our body breaks down carbohydrates into glucose. Glucose or blood sugar is the main source of energy of our body cells, tissues, and organs. And the primary function or the primary role of carbohydrates is to supply energy to all cells inside our body. Many cells prefer glucose as a source of energy versus the other compounds like fatty acids. Some cells, such as red blood cells, are only able to produce cellular energy from glucose. The primary role or function of carbohydrates is to supply energy to all cells in the body. Many cells prefer glucose as a source of energy versus other compounds like fatty acids. Some cells, such as red blood cells, are only able to produce cellular energy from glucose. So next is lipids in the diet. Lipids are compounds that are insoluble in water but are soluble in organic solvents such as ether and chloroform. Lipids is important to our discussion include fats and oils, fatty acids, phospholipids, and cholesterol. There are three types of lipids: the triglycerides, cholesterol, and phospholipids. Triglycerides are a type of lipid molecule composed of three fatty acid chains attached to a glycerol or backbone, and they serve as the primary form of fat storage in the body. Cholesterol is a steroid lipid molecule that is an essential structure component of cell membranes and a precursor for the synthesis of hormones, bile acids, and vitamin D. And the phospholipids are a class of lipid molecules that contain a glycerol backbone, two fatty acid chains, and a phosphate group, and they are the primary structural components of cell membranes. So the functions of lipids is that they help with moving and storing energy, absorbing vitamins, and making hormones. Lipids are fatty compounds that perform a variety of functions inside our body. They're part of our cell membranes and help control what goes in and out of our cells. Mineral elements in the diet. Minerals are those elements on the earth and in foods that our body need to develop and functions normally. Those essential for health include calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, chloride, magnesium, iron, zinc, iodine, chromium, copper, fluoride, molybdenum, manganese, and selenium. So the functions of mineral is that they fulfill a wide variety of functions such as building materials for our bones, influencing muscle and nerve function, and regulating the body's water balance. They are also components of hormones and enzymes and other biologically active compounds. Minerals are vital components in our food also. That's all for my topic. I hope you learn and thank you for listening.